Cookie Crumbs, it's me Lenny Shade and you're in the Diviner's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a recipe that's from my childhood. You see, back when I was a little tot back in elementary school, they had this thing called Beefy Nachos on the menu. It was amazing and all my friends would love it. And since I can't go back to, my old elementary school with like a plate and be like, can I have some? I'm going to make my own version of it today. So let's get cracking. First we're going to First, you're gonna brown up your ground beef.
There you go.
First, we're gonna turn on this thingy.
Stove.
Right, stove. This isn't a thingy, it's a stove. Anyway, we're gonna turn this to a 6. And then we're gonna put our ground beef in here. Then we're gonna season it with a tablespoon of seasoned salt, teaspoon, a fourth teaspoon of cayenne. I don't think you want a tablespoon of cayenne, especially if you're not used to heat. And a teaspoon of Sazon. I'm not sure if I'm saying the seasoning right still.
It sounds good enough to me.
Yeah. It's spelled like S-A-Z-O-N, with the squiggly thing over the Z. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like, that's how it's written, so I feel like that's right. You're just gonna wanna wait till it starts browning and stir up the beef. If you can let it just move around your meat. If you let it defrost like me, you can just start messing it around with it. Then you want to set this aside. Turn this on for a second. Then slide this to the right. And get started on your cheese sauce. Now we're going to make our cheesy roux. You want to do 6 tablespoons of butter. And if you ever get lost or you don't really feel like scooping out butter from like a tub, you can just get them in sticks, and most packagings will usually tell you how much is a tablespoon on the wrapper. Just want to let your butter melt a little bit. While this is melting, you can put your ground beef in the strainer. Just get all the grease part out. When your butter is almost dissolved in your thing, add 6 tablespoons of flour. Mix that together. And all is combined. You can turn the heat up just a little bit to get it to brown a little. Just a little bit. I want the stuff to stick to the pan. Just want to constantly stir it. When I turned this dial, I turned it from in between 2 and 4 to 4. Anyways, next we're going to add in our milk. It's about 4 cups. Grab a whisk and just start stirring this. Once it starts becoming a more thick mixture, just add in the rest of your milk. Constantly stir. Once you no longer see like flour particles, you can finally add in your cheese. Slowly add in 4 cups of shredded cheese to your roux mixture. This can be the cheese of any of your choosing. Now I'm going to set this aside And grab my meat. Put it inside the cheese. And mix it in. And there you have it, beefy nachos. Oh, I mean, except we don't have the two parts. Let's grab them. Yeah. Perfect thing for the afternoon snack, from my childhood to yours. That's gonna do it today for this video, Cookie Crumbs. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. That way you can be informed when we have new videos out. But until then, Cookie Crumbs.